So if you're looking to start your own side hustle but you have no idea what to do, then listen up. You might need to look around your environment and see what it is that you have that might be able to help you produce some income. I personally am a photo video person. I am not a professional by any means, and all I own is a Sony a6500 and a few other bits and pieces of entry-level photography gear. Now, because I'm nerdy like that, when the pandemic hit, I was actually able to help save my girlfriend's company by switching to virtual online teaching platform. If I didn't know what I did know about photo and video equipment, we wouldn't have been able to launch as quickly as we did. So we could pivot. Fortunately, the company did very well during a pandemic when many other businesses were closing. Now, the next side hustle that I'm working on is getting into Fiverr, product photos, and unboxing reviews. Don't let your lack of equipment prevent you from finding whatever your particular side hustle is. Grab a piece of paper, start writing down some different ideas, and put those ideas to work.